Hi guys, welcome to Easy Cooking Recipes.
Now I am going to show you how to make rasam without rasam powder. It is a simple basic rasam with easy steps. For that I took a tomato, say it's a big tomato, just smaller than an apple, and some tamarind. You can measure exactly 1 tablespoon of tamarind. One big garlic I took, or you can take 2 small garlic and some red chilies, turmeric powder, hing, and I took cumin seeds and pepper in my crusher. And we need oil to saute these stuffs and water, salt. That's all. I kept 2 cups of water in a vessel, and I'm going to add my tomato and tamarind. You can cut the tomato and add it, not a problem. Just we need to boil it. We have to take out the pulp from the tamarind and pulp from the tomato. If you boil it, it is easy to take out. That's why we are doing this process. Let it boil. It is around 6 to 7 minutes. Switch off the stove and cool down. Then we are going to take out the pulp from tomato and tamarind. Our tomatoes and tamarind are cold now. Now I am going to take out the pulp. This is how you need to take out. First take out the pulp from tamarind. Just squeeze it. It's easy. And you can remove this out. Like the same I am going to do with the tomato. Add some water in it to adjust the taste. It is too sour now. We already added 2 cups of water to boil the tomato and tamarind. Now I am going to add 1 cup more. I added 1 cup of water again, and then now I am going to add some salt and crushed cumin and pepper powder. This is our rasam powder today. Mix it. Check the taste. Like you need to check the salt and the sourness in rasam. Now we are going to give tatka in the stove. Let's see that. I'm heating oil in a pan. It is hot now. Now I'm adding my mustard seeds. When it's splutter, you need to add crushed garlic and broken red chili. Now add the hing and turmeric powder. I have chili. Mix it well. Be careful, you should not burn this mixture. Once it is sorted, now I am going to add our rasam that we already mixed it with our cumin, seeds, pepper and salt. See, you have to pick all it. That's all. Our rasam is almost done. Just need to boil it. Now keep the stove in medium flame, low to medium flame. Just wait till you see the foaminess on all the places. Like it forms like a circle. Now it's coming. Just wait for the moment. See, it's slowly forming a circle. This is the right time. We are going to switch it off. We should not let it boil. Just it need to form that foaminess. That's all. The rasam is ready.